So now that I've explained to you deep web, let's go to the dark web. So the dark web, this is where it all gets a little bit cold and shady. The dark web is a subset of the deep web and is accessed using anonymizing software like Tor. So we are going to access dark web later, but the onion router. So Tor means the onion router. So basically, if you've seen a website that has onion on their website, I will show you that later. That means it's a dark web link. So which enables user to browse website anonymously. So basically, dark web is just a website that you can use to browse everything anonymously. This anonymity had attracted various illegal activities such as illegal job marketplace. So that's the reason why it is dark website, because Tor people use Tor to hide their identity, hide their location, for one of the reasons only, and that is doing illegal activity without getting caught by the government, getting caught by Google. And yeah, that's the reason why they access dark web, because selling drugs, buying guns, doing illegal activities and stuff like that, and hacking service and weapon sales, counterfeit currency, and stolen data. Basically, you can also steal data from people and sell it, and yeah, more, etc. Yeah, you can do that in dark web. That's the reason. That's literally the reason why people access dark web. It's because they can do all of this stuff without getting caught by the government, without getting tracked, without getting destroyed and stuff like that. It's important to understand that engaging in such activities is illegal and unethical. So here's the thing. Remember this. Accessing dark web is not illegal, but engaging in such activity is illegal, and you could go to prison. You could get yourself have an enemy in the dark web, get yourself kidnapped by those people if you do illegal or engage in illegal activity. And yeah, that is basically the thing. And if you're good at like if you understand the core of VPN, using VPN, and you do illegal stuff, you will not be caught. But I beg you, do not do that, because you will go to jail if you're caught. That's the thing, and you could be in jail for like 27 years, 21 years. So basically, I've met a pedophiles in the dark web. I've talked to him before, and the thing is I was disgusted by the thing he said. And later in a month, I've seen him actually in the news that he was actually caught for teaching people in the dark web how to become a pedophile, and he is now serving 21 years in prison. And I will not be able to mention his name because or confidential matter. But anyway, that's it. In the next column, I will be explaining to you the dark web history.